To begin this meditation, we're going to bring kind awareness to why you chose this meditation and why you are here this evening. How your belly, chest, and head each feel during this meditation. The emotions that arise during this meditation. The positive or negative narratives you tell yourself during this meditation, and how you're performing the meditation. The fact that many others may be experiencing similar thoughts, feelings, and emotions as you may experience during this meditation. How you might feel with having increased awareness during this meditation. And when you can apply this increased awareness in your own day-to-day life. So let us begin by getting into a comfortable position, either lying on the floor with both feet uncrossed and falling away from each other, arms at your side, or if you prefer to be in a chair, sit with a dignified posture with your back away from the chair, chest proud, feet flat on the floor, and hands wherever they're most comfortable. And now that you've found a comfortable position, I invite you to close your eyes, or if it's more comfortable, simply lower your gaze. Now let's take a moment to settle in using our breath. Our breath will always be our anchor throughout our meditation. We'll use it to begin and use it to come back anytime we drift away from our intention. So let's take a deep inhale through our nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale through our mouth for 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do that 4 more times. Breathing like this allows us to expel the stress from the day in a more profound way as we inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale through our mouth for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through your nose for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale through your mouth for 4, 3, 2, 1. One more inhale through your nose for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale through your mouth for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now just let your breathing become more natural as you both inhale and exhale through your nose, focusing on breathing into your belly, filling that up with air on the inhale, and then gently letting your belly fall flat on the exhale. Find the natural rhythm of your breath with each inhale, taking in the air through your nose and filling your belly with that air. And with each exhale, letting the air pass through the nostrils gently while flattening your belly. Don't feel like you have to push all that air out and flatten your belly completely. Just let your belly lay flat as it would naturally on the exhale. Use these breaths to quiet the mind by just focusing on each inhale and each exhale, allowing yourself to simply just be. As I said, today we will practice a short body scan. And so during this, you will bring awareness to different parts of your body. Think of it almost like there's a spotlight, but not a blinding spotlight on this part of your body that I will tell you to put your focus on. Think of it as a warm light, nothing blinding, but just something that shines a warm blue light on that area. And then listen to what that area of your body is trying to communicate to you. So we'll start by bringing awareness to the top of your head. And then bring that spotlight down to your forehead, and then to your face. And as it shines upon your face, is your face relaxed? Are you squinting really hard to keep your eyes closed? If you are, just simply allow yourself to just be. Maybe you feel some tension in your forehead. Allow that to just simply relax. And now take that spotlight and bring it on down to your neck and your shoulders. Are your shoulders tight? Are your shoulders hiked up? Notice any sensations, movements, or any places of holding stress. And with your next inhale and your next exhale, just simply let those be. Just simply let those rest. Just let those simply relax. And now let's move that spotlight down to your arms and your hands. Sensing the back of the body and the front of your body. And now move that spotlight to your chest. Are you just breathing naturally and allowing your breath to move your chest up and down, moving your stomach as we move the spotlight down there, up and down? Do you feel tight in those areas? If you do, with your next inhale and your next exhale, just simply let those rest. Notice if you've brought any tension to other areas that we've covered. And if you have, see if you can bring all of those spotlighted areas to rest and relax. Feel the contact of the body with the chair or the floor beneath you as we make our way down to our hips and now our upper legs. What are your quads telling you? What are your hamstrings telling you? Just listen and try not to create a sensation there. What are the sensations that you are feeling? Now go to your knees. And now to your lower legs, the shins and the calves. And then finally your feet, the tops of your feet. And now the spotlight goes to the bottom of your feet. And now let that spotlight shine on your entire body. It's not blinding you. It's just a warm light. And notice if there are any particular places that are calling out for attention right now. Places where sensations feel most vibrant or dynamic. Scan to see if there are places where there is a lack of sensations or only very faint sensations. And now sensing the whole body, breathing as one complete organism. And now allow yourself to come back to your breath, feeling the air pass through your nostrils, filling your belly with gratitude for this meditation, and then exhaling through your mouth as you let your belly fall flat, expending those thoughts and feelings that do not serve your best interest. Let's do that one more time. Inhale through your nostrils, filling your belly with love and gratitude for your body, and exhaling through the mouth, letting your belly fall flat and allowing yourself to let go and let live. And now take one more natural inhale and exhale through your nose. And at the bottom of your breath, open your eyes.